If you want to see more topics, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then check the link in the description below. In this video, we will see what is fuse. So here we can see this is a image of fuse. A fuse is a protective device used in electrical circuits to prevent damage from excessive current flow. So a fuse is a simply protective device or safety device which is used to prevent excessive current or overcurrent flow. Now here we can see it consists of a thin strip or wire. It consists of a thin strip or wire made of a material with a low melting point. So this wire or this conductor have very low melting point. Typically metal like copper or aluminum is used. When the current passes through the fuse exceeds its rated value, the strip or wire heats up due to the increased resistance. So it have some resistance, but for normal current it will not burn. It will allow the current to flow. But when the excessive current flows, that time this gets heated up and breaks down, eventually melting and breaking the circuit. This action interrupts the flow of current, thereby protecting the circuit and devices connected to it from damage caused by overcurrent or short circuits. Fuses are commonly used in electrical panels, appliances and electronic devices to provide a safety mechanism against electrical faults. So, a fuse simply a protective device or safety device which helps or which prevents damages from overcurrent or excessive current. For normal current, the conductor or wire or strip will not melt, but for overcurrent, this conductor or wire will heats up and breaks, which breaks the circuit and protect the appliances from overcurrent damage. So this is what fuse is. Don't forget to check the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.